Hi guys, in this video I show you how to combine two images into one, how to create a unique photo out of two using the magic blend AI tool in Canva. Let's go. First, create a new design, for example 16:9, and upload your first photo as a base. Then upload any other picture you want to combine or integrate. Let's take this car. Remove the background if necessary. If you have the Pro version of Canva, use BG Remover. If not, search for background remover in the apps. After this, just place your secondary photo on the spot where you want it to be. Press and hold Shift to select multiple photos, or press and hold Ctrl and then press A to mark all elements inside your design at once. Then click on Edit and the Blend AI feature already pops out. If you mark your elements correctly, you can directly press Blend. Wait a few seconds and choose the one out of 4 which fits the best for you. If none of these is good enough, you can generate them again. One bonus tip for the people who are still watching. If you have a secondary photo which is not perfectly fitting into your first one, because of its shape for example, you can find a reshape tool under apps to change the perspective or warping the image without losing quality to make it fit perfectly. Thank you for watching and see you next time.